Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm at Lepink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that altcoins could go up actually now anytime. And why I'm saying this, I'm going to show you in the second, because I believe that Q4 could be quite good for crypto. It was historically in the year of halving, and it's very important to catch the altcoins on time. And now we are around the breakout point. Then we have SEC gives green light to Nasdaq listing options for Blackrock's Bitcoin spot ETF. Then we have Kamala Harris finally breaks silence on crypto, and gold all-time high. Gold is just going up. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So that's important. Simply subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. And when we're looking at the prices, we can see that Bitcoin is almost 1% up in the last 24 hours, $63,265. 8% up in a week, actually. Ethereum, $2,647, 2.5% up in the last 24 hours. The top gainer in the top 100 is Tau, TREZOR, which is 16% up, Immutable X 11%, and Popcat up 11%. Losers, Pendle, 4.6% down, Aptos down 2.7%, Flare 2.5%, no major dumps as you can see. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, here we can see on the daily that, you know, here on the 18th of September, we did break above this trend line and closed above it. And it was a sign that after we can continue to go up. It's not going up forever, obviously. So we should have a couple of, red candles. Today we're forming maybe actually one, but this is totally healthy in my opinion. What I'm really watching here is when we're looking historically, go back all the way to March, we have here lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower high, another one, and actually here so far as well. So we had also, as I just started to say, lower lows all the way down, but first time, as you can see here, this one, and this here was a higher low. So now we could wait. So this could change the trend, which is a downwards trend. And now we can see maybe soon a higher high, which when it's closing supposed to be above $65,050. If that's happening, first on the daily, then it's important to see this on the weekly. Because if that's happening, then we can talk about a new uptrend starting. And that's very, very important. And now let's move to the altcoins, because if this is happening to Bitcoin, actually it could be good for altcoins as well. And watch what I'm watching at altcoins to talk about that. So first of all, when we see the reaction from altcoins after the Fed rate cut last week, we could see that Bitcoin went up, yes, Ethereum went up, but the altcoins performed pretty well. And well, when we're looking at here, this one, and this is the weekly chart for the altcoin market cap, not including obviously Bitcoin, but not even Ethereum, right? So what we can see here is that the altcoin market cap started to go up, and we can draw a trend line here actually since March, as you can see it, which is actually right now kind of first time we're breaking above it. Right now, the market cap of the altcoins is actually at $602 billion. And if we can see this close above this trend line here on the weekly, that could be a sign that it's, time for alts to go up. Also, when you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance, as you can see it here. Oops, no, I wanted to do this here. Yep. So, and the Bitcoin dominance, on the other hand, is in the bearish. It's a bearish in a way because we see a rising wedge, and the rising wedge is a bearish pattern. So it could break down anytime, and it's really getting close to the end here. And if this breaks down and the altcoin market cap goes up, that could bring another altcoin season for us. What do you think about this? You can let me know in the comment section, obviously. But it's worth to watch, because if we, catch this early, then you can participate in a very nice altcoin gains. But please be careful. This is not financial advice. I just wanted to draw the attention to this. Okay, now next topic. It's all about Kamala Harris, because she may break silence on crypto. So let's talk about that. So obviously, Kamala Harris is not for crypto. She's not talking about crypto generally, but we do know that the Biden administration wasn't really for it. But now, maybe the first time, she's starting to mentioning it in a way that, listen to this one here. We will pattern together to invest in America's competitiveness, to invest in America's future. We will encourage innovative technologies just like AI and digital assets while protecting our consumers and investors. So digital assets, this is the fancy way to say crypto actually. So maybe she's starting to get open-minded, but is it too late for her to get some crypto friends? This is the question. Because when we see Donald Trump, wherever he goes, people asking him about crypto, and he's responding positively about it. Listen to this one.
What you think the future of crypto looks like if, God forbid, you don't win the election?
Future of crypto, what does it look like? Well, I think it's a good future. Who knows about anything today? But I think it's a good future. I tell you what, you look at values, you look at what's happening and where it's come and where it came from. I think crypto's got a great future. I think it really does. Maybe we'll pay off the $35 trillion in crypto.
So anyway, bottom line is that he's saying good things about crypto. He wants to pay off the big debt, America's big debt in crypto. Bottom line is that Donald Trump very much for crypto, so probably he has so far the votes from the crypto friends. But now maybe Kamala Harris starts to open up a little bit. Okay, let's talk about the next topic. Actually, that one I wanted to bring first, but now I accidentally changed it. So let's move on to the SEC gives green light to NASDAQ listing options for Blackrock's Bitcoin Spot ETF. Well, it's good actually for investors if they have many options to invest in Bitcoin. And this could be another one, because SEC gives the green light for NASDAQ listing options for Blackrock's Bitcoin ETF. So its decision marks another step in expanding the range of derivative products linked to Bitcoin, providing investors with additional tools for managing exposure to the world's largest crypto. And yes, so this is just another possibility. This is definitely bullish because, the more opportunities investors have to invest in Bitcoin, the more they will probably do and make Bitcoin more popular. You know that I'm really for buying real Bitcoin and not buying a Bitcoin spot ETF. However, I do know that actually this will bring attention to Bitcoin. And Donald Trump is already talking about it. Institutions are already investing it, and so on and so forth. So the whole thing is really, really growing, but it's far from mass adoption, to be honest with you. So we're going to see, but crypto is pretty much part of the future, in my opinion. And these things right now help. But don't forget, every single Bitcoin you're selling, you're giving to them because they, sooner or later, they're going to buy it. Right. Okay. And now, next topic is all about gold. Gold, because gold have reached new all-time high. Well, gold is doing actually pretty well recently. So Bitcoin is holding itself around 64,000-ish right now. So not at the all-time high, not the breaking all-time highs yet. On the other hand, when we're watching gold, we can see that actually here on the 20, what's that? Oh, sorry, this is for, because it was today. Yeah, that's the daily chart for gold. So yeah, as you can see today, new highs for gold. It happened last week on the 20th of September. First time that it broke above $2,600 per ounce, and now it just keep going up. Today we have seen it at $2,631. So yeah, gold is also doing pretty well recently. Look at this here. Maybe I can raise, hang on. Yep. And move this one a little bit up. So we're talking about, roughly speaking, 32% just in this year since February when we're watching good gold. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date, very simple. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.